question that I get asked a lot is, what if my man is threatened by toys? First of all, vocalize that a toy is not replacing him, but it's something to just change up your sex life a bit. Provide reassurance to your man and let him know you care about him and his feelings. I suggest utilizing toys that are non-phallic and more feminine. Your man might be imagining you whipping out a large, realistic phallus. Sex toys have really changed over the past few years, and many are not threatening at all. It's great to be able to communicate, so asking questions like what he is comfortable with, what his experience with toys has been, what he is thinking when it comes to toys. Ask him if he would be okay with using toys on himself. Another great question is asking him if he would like to not work so hard to get you to climax. Vibrations and new sensations can be very arousing. If you have used a toy by yourself, ask if he would like to see you use it. This way, he can see how you make yourself come. This way, he can also learn to please you in new ways. Hopefully, this will help you introduce toys into your sexual relationship. Please like, share, and comment below, and head on over to enticeme.com and sign up for our newsletter so that you get all the sexy secrets coming your way. Cheers.